In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper blades on this BMW X5. These are going to be located at the base of the windshield. Let's get into it. And then on this wiper blade, we're going to lift on this tab and slide this out. You might have to push on a button right there, push down on the button and slide that out. And very carefully, you can place this down on the windshield. You need to find the correct adapter. This happens to be labeled with a C. And we're going to take off the one that comes on the wiper. Just grab, pull up, take the new adapter. It's going to line up on the blade, just like that. Push down, clip it in place. And this is just going to slide on. And you'll clip in place, give it a wiggle, that's nice and tight, and you do the same on the other one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.